How to use the if statement to run calculations. In this example, we're going to use the salary table of a company to calculate the employee's bonus for the year. This is the table that we're going to be using, and all we want to do is to calculate how much bonus each of the employees will be getting. So the criteria will be if the employee's salary is greater than or equal to $5,000, then the bonus will be 15% of the salary. Otherwise, the bonus will be 10%. We will use the Excel if statement as if D4. D4 is the employee salary cell. So if D4 is greater than $5,000, then we'll multiply by 15% to get the bonus. Otherwise, we multiply by 10%. In this formula, we first check if the salary of the employee in cell D4 is equal to or greater than 5,000. Once the formula is right with the first employee, we then drag down the formula to the other cells to calculate their bonuses too. Now, let's look at this in Excel. So this is the table that we're going to be using to calculate the bonuses, and this is where we're going to calculate it. Remember that I said if the salary is greater than or equal to $5,000, we multiply by 15%. This is it. And if the bonus is less than 5,000, we multiply by 10%. So let's go ahead and calculate that. So we first pull out the equal sign, and then we pull out the if function, and then we open the parentheses and we pick cell D4, and we say if it is greater than or equal to $5,000, then we multiply by 15%. We pick cell D4 again, and then we multiply by 15%. Otherwise, we multiply by 10%. So we select again, and then we multiply by 10%. So if you're using numbers, you don't need to put inverted commas, just put the numbers and you're good. So I'm going to hit the enter key. So right here, we see that the first person is going to get $1,200. This is just going to calculate how much each of them will be getting. So I'm just going to drag this down to see what other people will be getting. And then that's it. So we can see how easily you can use the if statement to run calculation. You can see the calculation at the formula bar right here. So that's how it is done.